Hello, I'm Elder Baird, and I want to talk a little bit about why we decided to make this Rubik's Cube mosaic of Jesus Christ. Jesus Christ really has made a huge impact on my life, and it's brought me a lot of peace and hope knowing that He knows exactly what I'm going through. A relationship with Jesus Christ really has helped me through my difficult times. If you'd like to learn more about how you can develop a stronger relationship with Jesus Christ, then message our page and we'd love to be able to help you out.